Let's unbox this Utilitech infrared quartz cabinet heater I picked up from Lowe's. Having my workshop in the garage means that when it gets cold outside, it gets pretty cold in this garage. So to remedy that, I'm going to use this heater and hopefully have a more comfortable workshop to be in. So let's unbox this and put it to the test. Looks to be well wrapped. Got the top cardboard piece, the unit itself, plastic bag of course. Not much to it, just a unit with the power and the remote in the back. So after looking at the instructions, the breakdown of the unit is, of course, you got your infrared heater here, you got your control panel here, and you've got your temperature sensor right here, and of course the remote. One thing to note before you operate the remote is that batteries are not included. It does take 2 AAA batteries. Keep that in mind when you pick up the unit. Make sure you include 2 AAA batteries. It is rated to be able to keep a room that's about 300 square feet nice and toasty. This garage, it's probably about that. So I don't know. Plug it in, turn it on, and see how well it can keep this room toasty. It is about 30 degrees outside. Garage doors have a little bit of gap where air comes in. We'll see how well it performs. All right, power button. Looks like it's set at 72. And oh yeah, I feel it. It's starting to heat up the room. Well, at least starting to throw some heat out. So I'll let this run for a little bit and see how well it warms up the room. So after about 30 minutes of this thing running in this garage, I can definitely feel a difference. It's a lot warmer, much more comfortable in this garage now. So if you have a room in your house that you ignore once winter hits, ignore it no more and go pick one of these Utilitech heaters up now. Let me know in the comments if you pick one up, what you think of it. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.